Finding bliss in simplicity, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a beautiful and profound phrase, find bliss in. This phrase is not just about understanding words, but about capturing the essence of joy and contentment in life's simple pleasures. So, let's dive in and explore how this phrase can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. The phrase, find bliss in, is about discovering deep joy or happiness in certain activities, situations, or moments. The word bliss stands for a state of complete happiness or joy, which is more profound and intense than just being happy or content. When someone says they find bliss in something, they mean that it brings them immense joy and satisfaction, often in a peaceful and serene way. Understanding the concept of bliss is crucial because it's not just a word, but a reflection of a deep, emotional experience. It's about a kind of happiness that is pure, intense, and often serene. In English, when we talk about bliss, we're referring to a state of happiness that is almost spiritual or heavenly. It's not just about smiling or laughing. It's about a deep, inner joy. 1. Simple pleasures. She finds bliss in the simple pleasure of reading a book by the fireplace. 2. Nature's beauty. He finds bliss in walking through the woods and listening to the birds sing. 3. Personal hobbies. They find bliss in painting landscapes that reflect their innermost emotions. 4. Mindful moments. One may find bliss in moments of quiet meditation and reflection. The phrase, find bliss in, is often used in contexts where there's a need to express a profound level of joy and contentment. It's not commonly used in everyday, casual conversations but is more likely found in literary works, motivational speeches, or deep personal reflections. Understanding the cultural and contextual nuances of this phrase helps in appreciating its depth and using it appropriately in conversations and writing. Finding bliss isn't just about happiness. It's about a profound, serene joy that touches the soul. By understanding and using the phrase, find bliss in, you enrich your English vocabulary and express a deep, resonant form of joy and contentment. We hope this exploration has brought a bit of bliss into your day. Keep learning, and find your bliss in the beautiful journey of mastering the English language.